Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Recently, I've been honestly overwhelmed with presentation work, deadlines getting closer, too many slides to prepare, and I constantly felt like I didn't have enough time. That's when I discovered AiPPT.com, and today I'm going to walk you through this amazing tool that helped me reduce stress and create professional, clean presentations in minutes. Once you log into AiPPT.com, you'll see a simple and organized dashboard with options like Create from Topics, Dynamic Slides, Import Documents, Paste Text or Markdown, Import from URL, and Start from a Template. On the left sidebar, you'll find My Work, Shared with Me, Image Templates, and the Trash folder, making it very easy to access everything you need. Let's start with one of the most useful features, Paste Text or Markdown. Here, you can paste any text or Markdown notes and AiPPT instantly converts it into a structured outline. To demonstrate this, I went to Gemini 3 and used a brand new prompt. Create a detailed outline for a presentation on how brands grow using digital storytelling strategies and make it simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Once the outline was generated, I copied it, pasted it into AiPPT, and clicked Generate. AiPPT immediately shaped the text into a clean outline. You can switch to a mind map view to visualize the structure better, move sections around, and download the mind map if needed. After finalizing the outline, I clicked Select Template, and AiPPT displayed a range of beautiful templates: modern, minimal, business, and creative. Once I picked the style I liked, I hit Generate PPT, and within a few seconds, AiPPT produced a complete presentation. I could preview the slides, edit any part, and download the final file as PPTX, PDF, editable text, or non-editable text. Next, I tested another powerful feature, Import Document. You can upload Word, PDF, Excel, PPT, Xmind, or text files. I uploaded a document and AiPPT automatically extracted all the key information and turned it into an outline. I edited the outline a bit and then clicked Select Template again. You can filter templates by creative, business, technology, minimal, or recommended styles. I chose a modern clean theme and clicked Generate PPT. AiPPT instantly prepared a full set of slides based on the document. After that, I explored the editor, where you can change every detail: text, fonts, colors, backgrounds, images, shapes, and tables. You can also replace templates or insert new design elements from the sidebar. Everything is fully customizable. AiPPT also includes a brand new AI image generator, which is extremely helpful when you need original visuals. To test it, I typed a new improved prompt. Generate a high-quality portrait of a confident young professional standing in a bright modern office. I selected my preferred generation model, and recently, they have also added the very popular Nano Banana Pro model, so I selected that one. I set the style, chose the number of images, and clicked Generate. AiPPT created a realistic image in seconds. You can insert the generated image directly into your presentation or download it separately whenever you need. Another impressive option is the Dynamic Slides feature, which creates animated, visually engaging PDF-style presentations. I entered a completely fresh prompt. Create a dynamic slide outline explaining how AI helps small businesses automate marketing, reduce workload, and increase sales. You can also upload a reference document for more accuracy. Then, I adjusted settings like card count, scenario, language, and content length. After that, AiPPT generated a detailed outline. I selected my favorite theme and clicked Generate Again. Within moments, AiPPT produced a fully designed dynamic PDF presentation. I opened it in full screen mode, checked all the sections, and everything looked clean, balanced, and ready to download. And that wraps up today's video. I hope this detailed walkthrough helped you understand how AiPPT.com can turn complicated work into simple, fast, and professional results. If you're struggling with presentations like I was, this tool can truly save your time and improve your workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.